Okay, driving back now. AC stopped cooling. Temperatures rising. I feel the smell the humidity on the vents, and the compressor is making noise. Okay, stop making noise now. Temperature is going down. Okay, start making noise. Okay, driving the car now. Very, very low temperatures. My Ford Fusion vent temperature was 50, 51 with a lower ambient temperature, and right now it's 90, 94. Vent temperatures a little bit. I mean, it's nice, but I don't know if it's like way too cold. I'm gonna hook up the gauges and get some readings.